What's up, everybody? So as you guys can see, that I loaded up my old wheels from my Sierra and I put them on the green truck. I'm gonna try to put them on this truck right now. Hopefully they fit, because as you can see here, it's pretty low already, and right now I haven't got it aligned, so it has that positive camber on it, and I feel like that tire is too thick and it might hit, because right here I barely have like one finger, a little bit more than a finger to play with there. Now if this wheel was tucked in more, then I could probably fit them. So I brought one. I'm gonna try them on in the front. Well, actually I brought all of them, but I'm gonna try this one first. If it fits, then I put them all on. If it don't fit, then I'm gonna have to just take them back home. Same thing with this. There's more space here, but I don't think they're gonna fit, honestly. It's kind of a tight fit too here. Maybe if I remove this plastic, take all of that off, it might fit. And I think the Sierra rides a lot better with those billet wheels that I put on it than when it did with these. I think these here, this tire is como que está muy dura, no sé, como it makes everything to ride a little bit more stiffer, more bouncier. And with the wheels that I put on yesterday, everything was more smooth, a little bit more stable. So we'll see. I'm gonna bring one out. Before I get started, I want to give thanks to a subscriber. He sent me this box. I'm gonna open it and let you guys see what he sent me. Alright, send me the grills for my door panels. That's pretty badass, man. I appreciate that. And he gave me a sponge, man. I could shower good. I can scrub. But man, they're in perfect condition. They look brand new. So I'm gonna try to put that on too. Now that I got the grills and the switches again, I might as well do that also. Now that I have to remove the door panel. So I'll try to do that later on today, but right now let me get this wheel off and start on that. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it down slow. We'll see. Right there is coming down slow, but like really slow. I just don't want for it to come down and for the wheel to be hitting the fender and bend the fender or something, you know. Alright, so that's a little bit too slow. Let me loosen it up. Alright, so that's all it goes, and just like my finger fits, I see they won't feel like this. So that's like a very tight fit. I think with any little bump, it's gonna hit. Man, that's like half an inch almost. Now I didn't have that camber, then I could probably clear pretty good. I mean, I'm gonna leave them on. Well, you know what? I need to do the back. If the back are good and it clears, then I'm gonna leave them on. So this one looks like it has more space. The finger fits better. I'm still concerned though if one day in a bump it hits my bed, I don't want for it to break, you know. So at this point, I think the only thing I would have to do is get rims that are more narrow, because these are kind of too flush. Let me lower down the truck, and I mean that's I raised it up off the axle, so I mean bringing it down is not gonna make much of a difference. Maybe a little bit, but it should be the same. It's a lot better. I mean, compared to the front. But these are pretty flush, man. Like with the bed. As you can see. But the truck looks better. A lot better. That's for sure. If I had a thinner tire, because this is a 285/40, so if I had like a 265/35, it would be a lot thinner, well, thinner and more narrow. But this is the one that is like really right there. So I put all 4 of them already on. It looks good. The gap in the back is pretty decent size, but now the front is like really tight. So I'm thinking of putting some new tires on them. I got the tires already. And it would save me like that much, maybe like a whole inch. Because I can't really go anywhere like this. It's almost touching. So yeah, I'm thinking about putting on these new tires instead. I need them anyway. All right, so I'm gonna head to an alignment places real quick. It's like 5 minutes from here. It's close by the shop. Good thing there's a lot of stuff that's close by the shop, but I gotta go really slow because y'all seen the little gap is like less than half an inch. So I'm gonna not even record because I'm gonna just focus on driving like a grandpa. So if I get there and it's open, I'll record. If not, then you know I'm not gonna record anything. All right, so far I haven't really rubbed anything. The place is right here. They look like they're busy. I bet they want to help me out. Because they said they close at 6 and it's 5:30. For sure it rides a lot better. My steering wheel is not all crooked like it used to be, and it actually rides a little bit smoother too. Now that I'm back at the shop, you guys can see pretty straight. Well, I had the wheel turn a little bit, but as far as like camber or nothing, man, it's pretty straight now. That's the thing I had read about DJM upper and lower control arms, that they're really good to avoid any camber issues, and it's true. I mean, you guys seen how my wheel was. It was like this, like sticking out to the side, and now it's pretty straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how. Well, you guys already probably know how to take off these door panels. It's not too hard. But this one don't have any screws that I gotta worry about. Basically, just pop this off and take this off. Using my knife to pop it off. Man, that exhaust just sounds nasty. That's it. I put the switch thing back on. It's a little bit stained with glue and all that, just like this one was glued on. I don't know why. And to put the grill on, it's pretty easy. You just gotta make sure you align these little tabs straight. To my subscriber that sent me this, man, I appreciate that. Kind of hard to do everything with one hand, so basically just put it in, put the pins in, and on this side you just bend them. Alright, there it goes. This color matches a lot better with the door panel than this one did. This one looked a little bit more yellowish. I don't know, I guess because of the glue. And the door panel looks good now, it looks complete. Alright, I did this side already too. Now my windows work. This whole time I wanted to buy a new panel, but all I did was have to just get that grill, the switch cover, and it's complete. I don't need to buy them no more. I already got this. And for the interior, I think that's it. I don't think I need anything else. Maybe we'll look at Big Choice trailer. What are you doing to it?
I'm putting some rubber things on here so when I put it on the floor it doesn't...
Oh, no pega muy fuerte.
Yeah, I don't hit the metal.
We just got a bed line. And 20-inch billets with the spikes. This thing is all LED'd out too. I don't think I've ever seen a trailer this lit up. Que no sea un trailer. These have a little glow to them, kind of like like these, like on the new Chevy trucks or the Fords. They all have like a little line that goes around the tail light. Basically the same thing. Got bed lines. We just got it sandblasted like a few days ago, 2 weeks ago, a few weeks ago.
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago.
Like 2 weeks ago. They even sandblasted the wood. That's why it kind of looks brand new again. What y'all think about the trailer? Now I'm gonna load up these tires. I'm gonna head to the tire shop. They should still be open. It's 7. I think they close at 8. So I gotta make sure I take this. And get out. Got the tires loaded up. Got the center caps here. My spray paint, my brush. So they take them off. I'll probably just give a little what do you call it? The drum. No, it's not a drum. This is a disc brake. Well, this part, clean it up and paint it. Take me some OBS candy home. If you haven't tried them, go ahead and try them. They're pretty good. So I'm gonna head to a tire shop now. So I went ahead and painted the disc, the caliper, también acá en el frente. Left the middle alone because I mean the wheels are gonna cover that anyway. So right now what I'm doing is I'm peeling off the GMC loaders. It was kind of tough. And shout out to It's Nats Graphics. She's the one that made these for me. Look her up on Instagram. She's made my decals. I put her Instagram on here. These decals were a little bit tough to come off, and which is good because you don't want to put some decals on your truck or your wheels and then for them to fly off. So I recommend you guys hit her up. Good stuff, it's quality stuff. Alright, so now that it's done, look at the big difference now. I could almost fit 2 fingers. Well, squeezed in there. So that's a big relief now. I mean, I still gotta be careful, but now at least I can go through some potholes, maybe. Here in the back, I've got a big gap now, so that's good. What do y'all think is next for the truck? And these wheels made a big difference, and it looks good. I like it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Good thing I was able to fix the alignment on it, no issues there, and I'm putting new tires on it, so I didn't have no more issues on the tires rubbing, so that's a plus. Now I can drive a little bit faster and not like a grandpa, and I can go through some speed bumps and whatnot. So yeah guys, thanks again for those that bought merchandise. Thanks for watching, and y'all stay safe.